Hey guys, welcome to Speak About Digital. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the basics of using SendInBlue for your email marketing campaigns. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced user, this tutorial will provide you with the essential knowledge and skills to effectively use SendInBlue to create and send your email campaigns. So if you have no idea about SendInBlue and how to get started, then this video is for you. Just before we start, please consider giving me a thumbs up, otherwise I would go ahead and jump right into the SendInBlue tutorial. The first thing that you want to do is, if you didn't create your account yet, you will have a link down below in the description. It's very easy to create an account. And if you already have an account, just skip this step. During the sign-up process, SendInBlue will then ask you to select one of the plans available. SendInBlue offers 4 different plans to meet the needs of businesses of different sizes and requirements. The plans are Free, Starter, Business, and Enterprise. The free plan is a great way to discover SendInBlue's features and functionality. This plan is entirely free of charge and allows users to send up to 300 emails per day. There are no restrictions on the number of contacts that can be stored in this plan. The starter plan is perfect for businesses that are growing and need more sending capacity. This plan costs $25 per month and allows users to send up to 20,000 emails per day. The starter plan is ideal for small to medium-sized businesses. The business plan is designed for marketing managers who need advanced features and more sending capacity. This plan costs $65 per month and provides users with all the features of the starter plan as well as additional features. The Enterprise plan is the most comprehensive and customizable plan offered by SendInBlue. It costs $1,000 per month and includes all the features of the business plan, as well as new features. For this tutorial, we will be choosing the free plan. To continue, simply click on the Continue with Free Plan button and you will be redirected to your dashboard where you can start using SendInBlue's features. So here we are in my SendInBlue account. I created this new account for the purpose of explanation, so you can follow the steps with ease. First, I'll show you what you can actually find in SendInBlue, and then I will show you how we can use SendInBlue. So, after logging into your SendInBlue account, you will be taken to the dashboard. On the left side of the dashboard, there is Email, Templates, Statistics, and Settings. Under the Email section, you can see an overview of all of your email campaigns, including sent, drafts, scheduled, suspended, running, and archived emails. In the Templates section, you can create and edit your email templates to make your campaigns more effective. The Statistics section provides you with a comprehensive overview of the performance of your email campaigns. You can see the open rates, click-through rates, and other important metrics to help you optimize your campaigns. In the Settings section, you can manage your account. At the top left side of the dashboard, you will find different tabs such as Campaigns, Automation, Transactional, Contacts, and Add More Apps. The Campaigns tab provides an overview of your total contacts, open contacts, clicks contacts, and block lists. In the Automation tab, you can set up automated actions based on the information or actions of your contacts, such as sending an email when a contact signs up for your newsletter. The Transactional tab is where you can send your transactional emails and track their delivery and performance. The Contacts tab allows you to manage your contact database and perform actions on them. Finally, the Add More Apps tab allows you to install apps that can help you grow your business, such as integrations with other platforms and tools. Creating a new campaign in SendInBlue is a straightforward process. However, there are a few things to keep in mind before starting. Firstly, ensure that your SendInBlue account is validated. And before you start, you will first need to import your contacts in SendInBlue. You can do this action from the tab Contacts on the top menu, or just click Add Your First Contacts on your dashboard. Now you have the option whether you want to import contacts from a file or to add contacts manually. For this tutorial, we will be choosing the Copy and Paste option. To continue, simply copy the data from your contact import file and paste it into the empty field. Then click Check the Data button. You will see a preview of the contacts and attribute data to be imported from your file. If the contacts and attributes are separated correctly, click Confirm Your Data. You will now indicate how SendInBlue should match your data to your SendInBlue contact list. So, click the Contact Attribute drop-down menu and select the desired attribute. In our case, it's correctly matched the data. Then click on Confirm Your Mapping. Next, choose the list to which your new contacts will be added. You may select one or multiple existing lists, or create a new list. Once you are done, click Confirm Your List. And before importing your contacts, you will be asked to confirm several important settings. Once you are done, click Confirm Your Import to begin your import. Once your import is completed, you will be redirected to your contacts page. Now that we've added the contacts, it's time to see how to create a new campaign. So to create a new campaign, navigate to the Campaign tab and click on the Email section. In the top right corner, click on Create an Email Campaign to open the Create an Email Campaign page. Stay on the Regular tab and enter a campaign name that will help you identify it easily in the list of your campaigns. Once you have entered the name, click the Create Campaign button. In the From section, you have to choose a sender. This is the email address and name that will appear in your recipient's mailbox. To make it easy for your recipients to identify your company, choose the email address and name carefully. Click on Add Form and choose the email address you want to use. By default, it will be the one associated with your SendInBlue account. You can also choose the name you want to display as the sender's name. In the To section, click on Add Recipients to add the list of contacts you want to send your email to. You can select the lists that contain the contacts you want or type in the name of the list in the search bar. You can also filter your lists by choosing Don't Send to Unengaged Contacts. In the Subject section, add a subject to your email to allow your recipients to quickly know what your email campaign is about. Write a few words that describe your email content in the Subject line field. In the Preview Text field, type a short and attractive text that gives an overview of the content of your email. In the Design section, you can design your email's content. You can search for the template you need in the different tabs: Layouts, Template Gallery, My Templates, Campaigns, or Code Your Own. Choose an existing template, import one that aligns with your branding, or create a new one from scratch. Once you've completed all the previous steps, you are ready to test and send your campaign. When you are ready to send your email, navigate to the top right corner and click on Schedule. There are 3 schedule options: Send Now, Schedule, and Best Time. Choose the Send Now option and click on Send Now. Congratulations! You have successfully created your first email campaign using SendInBlue. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to using SendInBlue. There are more things to learn about SendInBlue, so if you're interested in an advanced tutorial, let me know in the comments and I'll be happy to make it happen whenever I get a chance. You can check the links in the description. That helps a lot, thank you. So again, if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, and if you have any questions at all, please comment below. I try to answer all the comments the best I can. Thanks for watching.